Hey everybody, welcome back. Glad you're with me still. So in this video I'm going to explain one more type of input or form, this whatever you want to call it, but it's pretty much useless without another script. That's why I put it off to last. And this is actually the upload option. So on some websites you'll see like a button to upload files, and it's actually an input type equals file, and you can have a name for this, just upload or whatever. So this is what it looks like. Choose file, and then you can select something. So bam, and then it shows up right there, but it doesn't do anything once you click it. This is because we don't have a script to process it, but it works as a file selection. It looks cool for one, but choose file, I don't know how to change that word right there. I've tried value equals cool, but I don't know how. It doesn't seem to work. So I'm not sure if there is a way to change it or if I'm stupid. So if you guys know, let me know. But I'm pretty sure you can't change that. It's the default unless you use some sort of JavaScript upload button or something like that. But that is the input type of file, and that's pretty much all I'm going to go into that. I'm not even going to put it on our form because we don't need to upload a file to register for a website. So unless you're like uploading a picture or something, which that's different. So let's do a quick review. First of all, we have a form with the action of where this information goes. So if I submit it, it goes to my validate form data PHP script, but I changed that to, oops, I didn't mean to print that. I changed it so it actually gives me option values for years, which that was just something I did. So it pretty much works fine how it is, but because we don't have a PHP script anyways. The method, it's blank because we don't have a method either because we're not using PHP. We're designing HTML forms. Now the field set and legend, field set makes this box here, right? Legend is this right here. That's the legend of the box, what the box is about. Awesome. Now each of these things are entered in a paragraph form. So all of these are grouped in paragraphs. So then we have a label for each one. So we have label, enter your username, input type, text, blah, blah, blah. Same thing for the password. Remember, password covers up the letters, but it's still not a security method because we can inspect the elements and change that to text. Oops. And remember, you're not supposed to hack your friends and share my videos on their stuff. Don't do that. So sex is a radio button. So you can only select one. Checkboxes, you can select multiple. And then birthday or drop-down box, these were generated with PHP, but you could just as easily type it out if you have all day. I'm just not. I just don't have all day. It's already 10:25. I'm working on videos since like 4 o'clock, so I don't have time to do all that crap. Now this right here, this little bar here, I'm pretty sure this is a browser thing, not an HTML thing. It doesn't let me shrink it smaller than what I allowed it to be. I gave it 6 stars and 34 columns, but I'm pretty sure the idea of making it larger is a Google Chrome thing. Let me try an Internet Explorer. So I'm going to copy this. No. Go. Lag. Come on. Oh my god. Here we go. Just gonna X out of that one. It's not working anyways. So with HC, this one doesn't have the draggy bar. So this is what our form looks like in Internet Explorer. So when you're developing with HTML and CSS, it's very important that you try different browsers as well as cell phones and tablets. So if you can get your files online, you can do that locally. using XAMPP. So I'll show you a little bit about that right now. XAMPP at apachefriends.org/en English, if you speak English, /xampp.html. And then you can download it for Windows, and then you can download the installer, which right there, and then the installer, which I don't need to download it because I already have it. But what this does is it allows you to run locally on your computer, and you can port forward that to allow other computers to get onto it, or you can buy some sort of hosting like I have here, which my hosting sucks, so I'm gonna get a new hosting service soon. But yeah, I could also test these HTML pages on my website if I just downloaded some file transfer protocol mechanism, such as FileZilla. So FileZilla is how I get my files on my website. So that's pretty much all you need to know about that. I just thought I'd do a quick review and give you some extra information. This video is kind of short, but I don't have anything else to say, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Be sure to share this video and like it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and goodbye.